Hi, I'm Chef Zama at the Zama restaurant. I'd like to introduce a new menu for takeout. Look at this. This is a temaki hand roll you can make at home. Look at this. This is a whole set. Let me explain what we have here. Sushi rice and some kind of a condiment. You can do a spicy crunchy, you have eel sauce, sesame seeds, fish egg, and wasabi mayonnaise and the spicy mayo. And then we have about a dozen of the seaweed. So you can make about a dozen hand roll from here. And I have some different kind of vegetable. And look at this. This is beautiful tuna, yellowtail, salmon, avocado tuna, and even I put the negi toro scallion to the toro. We scrape it, one of our popular items. And shrimp tempura, barbecue eel, and the crab stick, and the shrimp. And also, I include this special sushi grab. I have a special guest. Actually, he's a special chef for hand roll. Let me introduce him, okay? Hey! Hola! I am a special temaki chef. Se habla japonés. Okay. This is a temaki set. Let me show you how to make a couple things, okay? First, you wear this glove. Mano izquierda. Mano derecha. Is the seaweed here? This is bonito. You put your nori on your left hand, and you put no mucho, okay? Just a small amount of rice, like this. And what's your favorite? I like a spicy tuna. So you can put the tuna this way. You get an angle, okay? Not this way. No. This way. Maybe I like put a little cucumber. Like this. And spicy sauce. Spicy sauce. Okay. You like a crunchy? I put the crunchy here. Sesame seeds. Put the sesame seeds. And this one, bring to over here, like this, and you just roll it. This is a perfect hand roll. You can make anything. You can do salmon and avocado, maybe shrimp and the cream cheese, whatever you want. Let me make another one for you, okay? Put in a hand. Just small rice, just a little bit. Like this. Don't push too much, okay? And what do you like? How about the toro scallion? My favorite. Toro scallion. Put it here like this. And what you do? This one, not here, here. Make a little triangle here. And roll it. And you eat. I know you're staying home all the time, not only ordering a sushi. Why don't you make a temaki set you can make at home? Handle, okay? Se habla japonés. Adiós!